Hi, let's unbox this brand new iPhone 16e. So we are gonna start with peeling off those stickers to open the box. I love this part, this is really satisfying. Let's peel off the second one. And now we can just open the box. And here it is, iPhone 16e. As you can see, I got it in this white color, but we got black as well. So in the box, we'll find this user manual from iPhone. This is how it looks. Also, we can find here this ejector pin for opening SIM card slots. Let me show you it closer. And we got this USB-C cable for charging our device. So this is how it looks from each side. And the most important part, phone. So let's peel off this sticker as well. Great. And now let's just turn it on by pressing this button on the right side. Let's talk about design and materials. So the phone weighs 167 grams. The back panel is glass. The frame is aluminum. Let me show you the other side as well. The body is thin and comfortable to use just in one hand. And also, there is a protection against water and dust, which is IP68 rating. The screen is 6.1-inch diagonal, Super Retina XDR matrix, resolution 2542 x 1170, and high brightness. So as you can see, brightness is really high here, but this one is not the highest because of the setup screen. So let's also talk about performance, camera, and battery. So with an A18 chip inside, the phone will run fast. The main camera is 48 MP and there is 2x zoom. The battery holds up to 26 hours of video, fast charging 50% in 30 minutes. And as for a conclusion, this iPhone 16e is a compact, stylish, and convenient. No MagSafe, but it is a powerful smartphone for everyday tasks. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.